put it in the car.
Brown on brown. Black on black. Green on green.
Well, it's going to hook up this actuator over here to see if we can get this side to work. We don't know if it's the actuator or the wiring. So
I think it's the actuator.
I think it is too, but we'll soon find out. It's like Walt's been spending some hours out here playing with his wire.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's working over here. Yeah.
But it won't.
Is there a right and a left, Walt?
No,
Maybe?
this one
No.
got burnt.
Oh, okay. That's the old one out of the car?
Yeah, that's why we had to buy a new kit.
There, this one worked.
Yeah.
Well, they both work, but they won't work with this.
Hmm.